I'm here with Dave from Intel, and Dave, I'd just like to ask you, how do you think schools should be using mobile devices differently in the future?
So I think what we're seeing at the moment with our end customers and from the school environment is many people who have PC labs today are trying to figure out how they can put devices into a classroom environment. And it's almost like we're working along a maturity model of moving from a fixed PC lab that maybe we grew up with when we went to school, and how we put devices into the classroom, and that rolls into a scenario where maybe there's one device per work group, and then we move to one-on-one where technology is truly integrated into the curriculum and improves teaching and learning. And I think what we're looking at is the types of devices that are suitable for a classroom environment. So we need to make sure that they can be secured, we need to make sure that they can be managed, and that they can withstand the ruggedness of a classroom environment with the school kids as well.
And Intel is doing some really interesting things to kind of bring innovation within the classroom. So some real-time modeling, I've seen some gravity-based experiments. How is Intel actually helping, do you think, education in the UK?
So one of the things we're focusing on quite heavily is the professional development and training that's needed to actually have these devices used properly in a classroom environment. And whilst we talk about devices, it really is a solution sell. So it's about the content, it's about the teacher training, and it's about the devices themselves. But the key thing we've learned from the UK and many, many markets is you can't just buy 30 devices and throw them into a classroom. It really takes the professional development and the investment in time with the teachers for them to understand how to use the devices as part of their daily lives.
And what mistakes then do you think schools are currently making when, as you say, they're just buying 30 laptops perhaps based on price? What do you think they should be doing?
I think they should be looking at what they want to achieve in terms of outcomes. So many, many times we see people look to, I need to buy these devices, but actually they're not looking at what they want to achieve from putting these solutions into the classroom environment. So it's looking at what they want to try and achieve and the outcomes, and then working backwards from that and making sure that they've got the right components to achieve what they want to do.
Dave, thank you very much.
Thank you.